Great Barrier Reef in Australia is basically dying. Well, the temperature is warming up. And they're down there, get ruining. And they go across, it's all dead. Except one little part isn't dead. And they looked at it, asked the question, why isn't this coral dead? It turns out it deals with nitrogen release. Algae loves nitrogen, and if they don't get enough, they die. Mostly coral reef release nitrogen, algae build up, right. But this particular species of coral didn't.